In this video, I am going to introduce you to Layla. Layla is your first private AI companion on your mobile phone. Layla is a personal AI assistant which can answer any of your questions and it can also role play. Most of the utility which I have seen of Layla in the wild is around role play because it is quite nifty and quite creative. Layla is more than AI companion. People are considering it as some sort of virtual girlfriend or AI girlfriend. Layla is primarily a phone app which runs a hardware accelerated local AI model. Layla app by it has been created by Layla Network.ai, and the team behind Layla is quite responsive. They resolve the bugs very quickly and they even listen to you if you go ahead and suggest some of the updates. This project is still evolving, but already it has got a huge user base out there. Another cool thing about Layla is that it can run offline without internet. So once you download it and install it, then it can run offline without any issues. As I said, it is sort of a girlfriend app. It is also to be noted that you cannot load your own models, but this app already has a fine-tuned model, and I believe that it is based off Mistral. And if you're following my channel, you might already know that I'm a huge fan of Mistral and the quality of it. There are a lot of features around Layla. For example, it can import PNG characters. It has a very simplified character creation methodology, and you can also tweak and set some of the advanced settings, such as, for example, you can select the model size from 3 billion or 7 billion. You can also turn the low rank adaptation or LoRa on and off, and you can select other hyperparameters like randomness or temperature, top P, context length, patches and threads, and sampler, and lot of other things. Moreover, you can also set the app to proactively chat with you when you haven't used Layla in a while. Because so what it means is, if you are not chatting with Layla, Layla is will start chatting with you. She will, or whatever. I mean, I know it's not Sentinel, but during they call it she, so she can initiate the chats, and it also saves chat history if you want. Like ChatGPT, you can also audibly converse with it. It can keep info about you to keep all characters aware of who exactly you are and everything about you, and also your nature, your preferences, your likes, your dislikes. And there is also, last time I checked, was an experimental assistant function that's actively being worked on, and it also has a character hub that was just added if you don't want to make your own character. And another good thing is that you can import even your own character card or from the silly tavern png, that sort of thing. And it also has a scene creator which lets you make simplistic role play setups with multiple characters. It's not a free app, you have to pay for it, but the great thing is that there are no ads, there are no in-app purchases. All you need to do is to pay it once, and then you just start using it. There are a lot of things too. For example, in their roadmap, as I said, Layla is constantly evolving. So you can soon you will have the ability to search the internet in real time. You can initiate conversation by reminding you of tasks, to-do list, and a lot of other things. And then there might be another social features, and of course 3D models for all of your characters, as you can see on the left hand side. It has, as I mentioned, it has a 7 billion parameter model, 4 GB file size. This 1.2 trillion tokens have been used in order to train it, and it has already consumed 45 terabyte of data during its training. So amazing stuff. Really impressed by Layla, and if you are in the search of some role play a application, then I would highly suggest give Layla a go. But that's not the end of the world. There are also some open source projects which are evolving. I'll be doing more detailed videos on these projects, but let me quickly show you. For example, this project, which is called as Mate, Mobile Artificial Intelligence Distribution. Again, it's just a Flutter app, and you can just use a use it to interface with GGUF or llama.cpp model, which means that you don't need a GPU. And then you can also integrate with OLlama models remotely. So you need to have an OLlama server somewhere, run your model there, and then you can connect with this app to that OLlama model remotely. And there are some screenshots too which you can go through, and this is all on GitHub repo, but it's still evolving, so there might be some bugs and other stuff. Another project which I found out was Chatter UI. This is again simply React Native front end for LLMs, and again this is very experimental. So what it does is, it is, as I said, it is just a front end for managing chat files and character cards, similar to if you have used Tavern AI or Silly Tavern. So that's it, guys. If you know of any similar projects, let me know, and I'll be happy to review them. I hope that you enjoyed the content. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you like the content and already subscribed, then please share this among your network. Thank you very much.